Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm gonna do comparison between Switch OLED and Steam Deck OLED. On the bottom we have Nintendo Switch OLED and on the top we have Steam Deck OLED. So in 2024, which console you should buy? Please watch this video till the end and do not skip it, and I will tell you in the end which one you should buy in 2024. So the game that I'm running is Witcher 3 on both of these, the complete edition. So in Steam Deck OLED you can change the settings as per your liking because it is running the PC version of the game, so which is very good. But in Switch OLED you cannot change actually graphics settings. You can change a little bit, like you can turn off motion blur, and but in Steam Deck OLED you can change the resolution, you can change the graphics settings, which is very similar to PC, which is a very good thing actually. So I locked this game to 40 FPS on Steam Deck OLED and it is running very smoothly. As you can see, the graphics also looks very good. I will show you the graphics settings in few minutes. So let me just walk around a little bit. And I locked it to 40 FPS, which looks very good actually. So let me just quickly show you the graphics settings. If I go into video graphics, and it's running on 800p resolution, native resolution, and we have high, medium and low settings, and it is looking very good guys in this handheld, in this screen actually it looks very good. On the Switch OLED, as you can see, the performance is very choppy. Is I believe 500p, something like that, I'm not 100% sure, but resolution is not native as 720p, and still it cannot maintain 30 FPS, which is a very bad thing in my opinion, because of course it's not that powerful compared to Steam Deck OLED. As you can see, on the Steam Deck OLED we are getting 40 FPS without any issues. It comes with the 16 gigabytes of RAM, and on Switch OLED we only have 4 GB RAM. So in Steam Deck OLED you can play almost any PC games at low and high medium settings, depends on the game. But on Switch, the games that run on 60 FPS on Steam Deck OLED, it usually runs at 30 FPS in Switch OLED. Platform titles like Sifu, Crash Bandicoot, Batman Arkham Asylum and Arkham City, Steam Deck OLED can run up to 60 FPS with high settings, but in Switch OLED it is only running at 30 FPS and still cannot maintain 30 FPS due to its overaging processor. So if you are looking for a powerful handheld console, then Steam Deck OLED is definitely the one to get because it is a lot powerful compared to Switch OLED. Here is another game, Street Fighter 5, which is not available in Switch, but you can play this on Steam Deck OLED at 60 FPS max settings, which is a very good experience. So a lot of multi-platform titles is not available in Switch. Hopefully we will see in the Switch 2 more multi-platform titles, because currently the ones that is available, there's a lot of performance issues, especially Witcher 3. The frames is dropping to around 22 FPS sometimes, which is not a good experience. So guys, if you are looking for a powerful console, do get the Steam Deck OLED in 2024. You will be surprised by the performance, and it can play also GTA 5 and GTA 4, which is not available in Switch OLED as well. A lot of stuff on Steam Deck OLED. You can install Windows as well, but I would not recommend that because it is using Linux, and Steam OS is perfect in my opinion. So, and the triggers guys is also very good. The button layout is also very nice, and the triggers is very good. It is very similar to Xbox One controller, and overall it is very comfortable to hold as well compared to the Switch OLED. I get tired sometimes because of the layout of Switch. You cannot play for longer periods of time compared to Steam Deck OLED. Steam Deck OLED is very comfortable to hold in your hands. So, and the screen quality is also very good on both of these actually, because they both are using OLED display. Really don't like the triggers on Switch OLED because it is very similar to normal X and Y button. You cannot press it all the way down, which is very annoying actually for racing games. And the triggers is also small, and the buttons is also very small. Good feature of this is you can detach these and you can play offline multiplayer games. You can use the single Joy-Con, which is a very good feature. And you can change these as well. There are a lot of available options on Amazon for different types of Joy-Cons. But in Steam Deck OLED you cannot actually do that. So you can connect the Bluetooth controller. Steam Deck OLED we have desktop mode as well, which you can connect to your dock, and you can then connect it to your monitor and use it as a desktop PC, which is a very good feature, guys. And as you can see, we have trackpad, and yeah, the touchscreen is also very good, and the trackpad is also very good. So let me just open a video, and you can use it as a desktop PC, which is the best feature in my opinion. Because of the powerful processor, you can use it easily without any issues, and there is no lag in the user interface as well. So let me just quickly play this video, and the colors is amazing, guys, and the display is very beautiful, the OLED display. Nintendo Switch OLED display is also very good because of OLED display. The bezel is thin and the brightness level is also very good. So which one you should buy, guys, in 2024? I'm going to give you my honest answer, and get the Steam Deck OLED, guys. Question about it, guys, honestly it is a lot powerful compared to Switch OLED, and Valve did not pay me, and I bought these with my own money. Seriously, guys, you will be amazed by the performance of Steam Deck OLED. In this handheld we can play a lot of games, PC games, comfortable to hold in the hand for longer periods of gaming session. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Steam Deck OLED is my favorite handheld console. If you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Let me know in the comments down below which one you will buy in 2024. I will say go get the Steam Deck OLED because it is a lot better compared to Switch OLED. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.